How long does it typically take from an ISA conversation to an agent transfer? Is there a set answer for that?
No, I mean, it could be, lead could be generated on our site and, 90 seconds later, we're trying to make a transfer to you. Could be 30 days later by the time we really reach them and get into a meaningful conversation.
Mm-hmm. Understood. Do you get all of the raw leads or just the leads that are transferred?
That's really up to the client of ours. So some opt to get the raw leads and turn off the AI. So as to not have some confusion there until we get them vetted, and then you put a smart plan in place for the vetted lead. We have one client who gets a data file from us at the end of every 30 days of the people that we didn't reach, so they can do whatever they want to do with them that way.
Sure, that makes sense. Yeah, so just so there isn't any confusion there, Jody mentioned people will turn off the AI for the raw leads. What he's referring to is Chime's AI assistant. So we're the only company in the entire real estate space that has actually partnered with Google to use their machine learning algorithm. And as a result, we've built a kick-ass AI assistant. And to his point, we have actually added the functionality where you can turn the AI assistant off based off of source. So it's really common for our clients to turn the AI assistant off for past clients or closed deals or what have you, but you could even throw e-lead into that source that is not included. So that way you don't have that confusing overlap. Troy asked about metrics around conversion rates. We mentioned before they convert 20% of the leads to actual conversation. And that doesn't necessarily mean live transfer, but that's someone you transfer over to them, whether it be live or not live.
Right.
All right.
Right.
Yep. Okay. Excellent. Yep. And from that point, again, guys, it's up to you. If you have 20 conversations with an online lead, how many of them do you convert? They're not transferring leads to you that aren't interested in having a conversation. So bear that in mind as well. Your conversion rate should be pretty high.
Yeah, and I'll say, one way I always look at it when I'm talking to somebody, when you take a look at our pricing, in the worst case of scenarios, if you only closed one out of those 20 people, you're getting an ROI. But you should be doing more than that. But
yes,
there's an ROI there in any case.
Absolutely. No, you're absolutely right. It's one is giving you an ROI. Two, you're seeing exponential returns on your investment.